Welcome again to the third part of our revision today. The most important part that you may use in the use of language and also in the writing is the connector. To build a correct sentence, to be able to build a correct sentence or join two sentences together, you have to memorize and understand the usage of some connectors. First of all, let's classify the connectors. The connectors of addition. The connector of addition. As you see from the list here, we can use additionally, furthermore, in addition to, moreover, similarly, likewise, in the same way, besides, not only, but also, and there are many other words to add your information. Okay, now let's see if you can add some more connectors to this passage. Right, read it first. Learning English is important. It is useful language. It is the international language. You can get a good job. You can travel around the world. You can communicate with people all over the world. Here are some connectors that may use to connect or to join these words to be as one piece. Yes, learning English is important. It's useful language. Very good. And because we added a new information, it's useful language. Okay, continue to add some linkers or connectors here. Very good. Besides, it's international language. Moreover, you can get a good job. And there's space here for the last sentence, traveling around the world. You can communicate with people all over the world. Very good. In addition. Okay, if you want to show some contrast, however, nevertheless, although, and we use although when there is unexpected result. For example, if I said, although he is ill, he attended the meeting. The expected result is he won't be able to attend the meeting, but the unexpected result he attended, so we used although. Even though, in spite of, despite, in contrast to, on the other hand, whereas, while, on the contrary. So all these words and connectors are used to show the contrast. The contrast. Also, we can use the connectors to show the cause and effect. The cause and effect. For example, here, therefore, consequently, as a result of, thus, for this reason, because of, because, in order to, so that. Okay, give an example for therefore. For example, he didn't study hard. He didn't study hard. What is the result? He failed the exam. So we can say as a result or consequently or therefore. Okay, but if we said space, he didn't study hard, he didn't pass the exam. We can say because he didn't study hard, he didn't pass the exam, and so on. So here the cause and effect. Also, we use the connectors to show the sequence, the sequences. Okay, if you want to make chronological order, for example, in your narrative writing or in your argument in the persuasive essay, you can use these connectors. First or firstly, in the first place, to begin with, second, secondly, third, thirdly, afterwards, eventually, finally, and so on. Okay, let's revise some vocabulary that you studied in this term. Look at the picture and try to guess what is the name of this picture. Which word is expressed in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Right, very good. The second picture. Excellent. Landslide. What can you see in this picture? There are some collapsed buildings here. What do you think is the cause of this collapse or destruction that you see? Very good. It's an earthquake. Earthquake. What can you see in this picture? What caused this drought? Very good. Drought. Thank you. Avalanche. Very good. Very good. Hurricane. Thank you. What can you see in the picture? There are many cars sank in water. Because of what? Very good. Flood. Thank you. Flood. What can you see in this picture? What a natural disaster is it? Very good. Volcanic earthquake. You can see the lava and the eruption of this maybe mountain. So it's a volcanic earthquake. Aftershock. Very good. When the earthquake is finished, there are some weak earthquakes that called aftershock. Very good. Overflowed. Roofs or the upper parts of the houses is called roofs. Lava eruption. Collapsed to fall down quickly. Now it's quiz time. Read these sentences and try to fill in the gaps with the correct word. After 2 hours of heavy rain, the river space and left large area of the town underwater. Many people are still trapped on of their homes. What the correct word that should be added in these spaces? Number 1. Very good. Number 2. Thanks. Roofs of the houses. Text B. Several buildings, but at least 12 people have been pulled out from the rubble alive. Rescuers countries working non-stop, worried that there will be an. Okay, the correct word to be added to number 3. Several buildings. Collapse. Thank you. Will be an aftershock. As we said now, it is the shakes that comes after the earthquake finished. Now, text C. Thousands of people left their homes before the occurred. What may occur here? Occurred. Good. Eruption. A huge cloud of ash rose 100 meters into the air while red hot streamed down the mountain. Very good. While red hot lava. Okay, the benefits of knowing or memorizing these words is to use them in paragraph. Now, can you write a paragraph about disaster that you have witnessed or read about? These phrases may help you. you can ask you this question: what disaster it was, when it happened, where it happened, what you did there, how you felt. You can use the words that you learned for writing a paragraph or description about a disaster like this.